Parrots by Sofiya, number 22. About parrots. Parrots are among the most intelligent birds. There are parrots that are good as pets. Some parrots are intelligent and talk at the level of a 4 to 5-year-old human. The parrot's family includes 410 types. The greatest population of parrots is in South America, Africa, and Australia. They have strong feet with sharp claws and strong teeth. Some large parrots live for 80 years. The record ages of parrots were over 100 years. Small parrots have a shorter lifespan, like 15 to 20 years. Popular types of parrots are parakeets, cockatoos, and macaws. Everything about food. The most important food of most parrots' diets are seeds, nuts, fruit, buds, and other plant material. A few species sometimes eat animals and carrion, and also soft fruit. The most parrots use their feet to hold food like a human. Now, interesting fact. The parrots have a large head with eyes positioned high. Without turning its head, a parrot can see above its head and quite far behind its head. They require feeding, grooming, care, and training for good health. Sayings about parrots color the modern English language. The word parrot in the dictionary means to repeat by rote. Parrots are difficult to catch. Most parrots stay the same size, like my parrot, it's a parakeet, and most female parrots can't talk. Now, what they play in. How they play. Playing with them and getting them excited about something can be really fun for both human and the bird. There are toys your bird can hold, toys that hang from the top and sides of the cage, and toys that double duty as perches and swings. Remember that laughing is important for a happy bird. So for maximum results, laugh a lot when you play these games with your bird. And here I have some feathers, and these are like fake, but that's the most colors of my bird. And there are some colors, and this is where they live. And also this is
And now, Sophia, show yours.
Julio, sit down, sweetheart.
His name.